mighty vacuum, Ozito.
Fucking relax. You're gonna damage it.
Okay. I'm testing it
Okay.
to see if it's, you know, survives the bashing and all that. Oh, that's nice. Okay. All the accessories, bags, bits and pieces. We're gonna test it quickly and we'll see what happens.
Vacuum the floor.
I think I broke it.
Wait, what was that?
Okay.
No, you're not doing it right.
No, it's good.
Move your head, Nicholas.
That's where you go.
Okay.
Okay, so it survived the test.
It survived the test. The hose.
No, it's this way.
Okay.
It's this part.
Now this one blows out. This one, the other side. What it says? Vacuum and. No vacuum. Okay, that's the vacuum is. Vacuum there.
You didn't put
Give
it
me
in
battery. It's good. It's good. See, the battery goes in here. Look, this is the hole where the battery goes. If I find the place.
No, you don't.
I'm gonna break this thing. It's getting confusing. Really. Yeah. It's gone. Yeah. It's not very loud. I like it. I like it. Cut it.